Heng'er turnover crate washing line. Adopt 304 stainless steel. Specialized in clean, sterilizing, and air drying boxes, trays, basket, crate, pallet. Button control panel displays working status in real time for easy operation. Adopting unique chain design and double track operation, more stable. Different cleaning stages are equipped with pumps and nozzles of different specifications to ensure the cleaning effect. Using scroll-type high-pressure fans, excess moisture on the surface of the crates can be effectively removed. Welcome to contact us for more details.